Hello everyone, today we will be making brownies. In preparation, you would need 2 bowls, one medium-sized and one larger. You would also need measuring cups. Now let's move on to the dry ingredients. You would need all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, dark chocolate, granulated sugar, and powdered sugar. First, put 1.5 cup of granulated sugar into your mixture. I'm not that much of a sweet tooth, so I cut down on the sugar a lot. Now put in 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. 2/3 cups of cocoa powder. Since mine's really lumpy, I gotta sift mine. Mix in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Also sift if it's lumpy. Add in 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Put in about 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt. Mix the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you will need 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and canola or olive oil. I'm gonna first crack in the 2 eggs. Once that's done, add in 1/2 cup of olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of water. About 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk together the wet ingredients. Once your wet ingredient is well incorporated, it's time to mix in the dry ingredient. Now it's time to mix this up until there is no powder. You can see now that everything is mixed well, and now it's time to pour this into your pan. The recipe calls for an 8x8 inch pan, but I don't have one, so I'm using this as an alternative. Line your mold with a parchment paper. Use your spatula to smooth out the top, and now it's ready to go into the oven. You should have preheated your oven to 325 degrees, and the brownie is gonna bake for 40 to 48 minutes. And the brownie is finally ready. You can tell if it's done by poking a toothpick inside, and if there's nothing when you come out, then it's ready. You should always let it cool down before you cut and serve.